Did you know that your skin might be trying to tell you something serious about your health? What if I told you that certain rashes, yellowing of the skin, or even a tiny lump could be warning signs of colon cancer? And the scariest part? These signs are often missed or misdiagnosed as something completely different. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 strange and shocking ways colon cancer can show up on your skin. Signs you need to know to protect yourself and your loved ones. Trust me, this is information you can't afford to miss. You might not think your skin has much to do with your colon, but the truth is, our bodies are incredibly interconnected. When something's wrong inside, sometimes the first clues appear on the outside, on your skin. But here's the catch. These skin changes are often subtle, unusual, and easily mistaken for something else. Today I'm going to show you exactly what to look for, so you don't miss these crucial warning signs. Doctors have found that some of the unusual symptoms of colon cancer can manifest on the skin, and these are often overlooked because they don't seem to be related to the colon at all. Let's talk about 3 of these strange signs. The first weird sign that might indicate colon cancer is the appearance of unexplained rashes or lesions on your skin. Now, we're not talking about your average rash from an allergic reaction or a new skincare product. These rashes can be persistent, stubborn, and often don't respond to typical treatments. One specific type of rash that's been linked to colon cancer is known as Sweets syndrome, or acute febrile neutrophilic dermatosis. This rare condition is characterized by sudden outbreaks of painful red or purple rashes, often accompanied by a fever. The rashes might appear anywhere on the body, but they're commonly seen on the arms, neck, and face. Here's where things get tricky. Sweets syndrome can be misdiagnosed as an allergic reaction, an infection, or even a simple skin irritation. Because it's so rare, and because the rash can look similar to other conditions, doctors might not immediately suspect cancer, particularly colon cancer. But Sweets syndrome has been associated with various malignancies, including colon cancer. So if you ever notice a persistent rash that just won't go away, especially if it's painful or accompanied by other symptoms like fever, it's crucial to get it checked out by a doctor. While it might be something benign, ruling out any serious underlying conditions like cancer is vital. The second unusual sign to look out for is jaundice, or the yellowing of the skin and the whites of the eyes. Jaundice is most commonly associated with liver problems, which is why it's so often misdiagnosed as a liver condition. But here's the catch. It can also be a sign of colon cancer. When colon cancer spreads, it can sometimes block the bile ducts, which are the pathways that carry bile from the liver to the gallbladder and intestines. This blockage causes bile to build up in the liver, eventually entering the bloodstream and turning the skin and eyes yellow. This type of jaundice can easily be mistaken for a primary liver issue or gallbladder disease. Because jaundice is so commonly linked with liver problems, doctors might initially focus on diagnosing conditions like hepatitis or gallstones. However, it's important to consider that jaundice could be a sign that colon cancer has spread to the liver, a condition known as metastatic colorectal cancer. Jaundice is not something to ignore, even if it seems mild at first. If you notice yellowing of the skin or eyes, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms like abdominal pain, unexplained weight loss, or fatigue, it's essential to see a healthcare professional. Don't hesitate to ask if colon cancer could be a potential underlying cause. The third strange sign of colon cancer on the skin is something called skin metastases. This might sound alarming, and to be honest, it is. But because it's so rare, it's often misdiagnosed as something far less serious. Skin metastases occur when cancer cells from the colon spread to the skin. These metastases often appear as firm, painless nodules or lumps under the skin. They can be red, purple, or even the same color as your skin, and they're usually found on the abdomen, pelvis, or back. These nodules might be mistaken for benign conditions like cysts, lipomas, or even simple insect bites. Because they can look so much like non-cancerous skin issues, skin metastases are often overlooked or misdiagnosed, especially in the early stages. But unlike benign lumps, these metastases can grow and spread quickly, which is why early detection is crucial. If you notice any unusual lumps or nodules on your skin, especially if they appear suddenly and grow rapidly, it's important to get them checked out. Insist on further investigation if your doctor suspects a benign condition, but you're concerned it might be something more serious. In cases like these, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So, what should you do if you notice any of these weird skin signs? First and foremost, don't panic. These symptoms could be caused by many different things, and not necessarily colon cancer. But because these signs can be easily misdiagnosed, it's important to advocate for your health and ensure you're getting the right diagnosis. If you experience any of these skin changes, here's what you should do. Number 1. See a doctor. Make an appointment with your primary care physician or a dermatologist. Be specific about your symptoms and express any concerns you have about potential misdiagnoses. Number 2. Get a referral. If your doctor suspects something more serious, they may refer you to a specialist, such as a gastroenterologist or oncologist. Don't hesitate to ask for a second opinion if you're unsure. Number 3. Request tests. Ask for diagnostic tests, such as a skin biopsy, blood work, or imaging scans to rule out serious conditions like cancer. Number 4. Monitor your health. Keep a detailed record of any other symptoms that might develop and maintain regular checkups. Early detection is key when it comes to cancer, and the sooner you catch it, the better your chances of successful treatment. Remember, your body is always communicating with you, and your skin can be a powerful messenger. Pay attention to the signs it gives you, and don't hesitate to seek medical advice if something doesn't feel right. Trust your instincts and be persistent if you feel your concerns aren't being fully addressed. If you notice any of these symptoms, take action and consult a healthcare professional. It's important to ensure that what might seem like a harmless issue isn't something more serious. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health. Until next time, stay healthy and take care of yourselves.